What's up? It's Chris from Manna University and Manna Church. Listen, we believe that God made every single individual on purpose and for a purpose. And at Manna Church and Manna University, we've created something that we believe helps you take some practical steps in growing that. It's called the theEXPERIENCE College Internship. This is a program we've created to shape lifelong kingdom influencers to change the world. So what does that look like? It looks like a combination of world-class academics at Manna University. You receive credits from an accredited institution along with practical hands-on experience that you're going to gain being an intern at Manna Church. You're going to receive mentorship, you're going to receive leadership opportunities, lots of places to take what you're learning in the classroom and apply it in real leadership opportunities. So who might this be for? If you're interested in full-time vocational ministry, you're wondering if God's placed a call on your life to full-time vocational ministry, this is for you. If you're interested in discovering and growing in your kingdom purpose prior to declaring a major and going off to college, this is also for you. If you're interested in strengthening your foundation of faith, character, and leadership prior to stepping into the workplace environment or, again, going to college, I feel like I've said it, this is for you. We want to help you discover, develop, and deploy into your gifts and callings so together we can change the world and we can be a part of helping you step into the destiny that God has for you. If that's you and you want us to help with that, text the word CONNECT to the number that you see on the screen, or you can email us at contact@manna.church.